Well, I'm going to start working on my SBC-3 Helldiver challenge, the Aurora kit with Eric. This is the original one I have. This box is kind of a little beat up, but ooh, look at how antique looking those instructions are. Oh wow. Yeah, those are no good. I'm going to have to see about doing something. I have a different idea for making it anyhow. Okay. The end of the box. Okay. Oh, that looks really good. I think I'm going to do it actually in United States Marine Corps livery from 1942. They were, believe it or not, still in frontline service with some units in the Pacific until they could be replaced by more modern aircraft. It's a case of the Marines dealing with what they had, or using what they had. I'm going to have to sand off these raised decals off. I'm going to put on new different Marine Corps ones. Alright, well, this is day one. I'm going through the parts. I'm going to inventory them, and then I'll start assembly.